Hey guys, thank you for checking out this video. If it's the first time visiting our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button as we're always releasing new content on how you can actually save when shopping online. Alright, so guys, in our previous video, we spoke about how you can save over $100 shopping online or in store at Sally Beauty um, locations. All right. So in this video, I wanted to show you guys how you can actually get cash back by shopping at one of your favorite retailers, that is Walgreens. All right. Now, it's no crazy, formula or no crazy secret. It's actually a method that has been used by many for years now, and it is an app. It is an app which you're able to download. And what happens is what this app does is they have went ahead and partnered with so many retailers. We have Sally Beauty, they have cashback at 11.2%. They have Walgreens at 6% cashback. They have Overstock.com, Sam's Club, Nike, Home Depot. As you can see, they've partnered with a lot of persons, a lot of companies here. So they're able to save you a lot of money when shopping at these retailers. All right, so there are like 16 partnerships right here, but there are over hundreds more they have partnered with across the United States, and they're actually able to give you cash back every time you go in store and purchase, depending on that item and how much it costs. Naturally. Now, this app is available on both Android and iOS users. So what it does is it gives you a rebate every time you purchase something at any one of the participating retail store, right? And all you have to do is just add your card on there and shop through the app. And it actually gives you $1. It actually gives you a $1 bonus for just adding your card. So it's really there to help you save money, guys. So Dash Cashback app, $1 sign up bonus, and $10 referral rewards. So even by just sharing this app with friends and family as well, guys, you're able to actually earn from this, and you're able to cash out your earnings, to PayPal. So once you've earned a 25 minimum Dash wallet balance in your account, right? You can transfer your funds to PayPal, bank accounts, or donate to charity. All right, so it's a very, very good app. So this link, to get the discount link, it will be in the description, guys. So this is the Dash app. The next wave of advertising is air download, playback, increase. So let's go to the main page. I think I was just checking out the front page here. But yeah, the link for this will be in the description, guys. Go ahead, download the app, add your card to get it activated. You got to add your card and just start shopping. Start shopping, and in time, you'll see that balance accumulate. You'll see your savings accumulate. And once you get to $25 there, you'll be able to just send that right back to your PayPal and use that and shop. You can use that balance and then go back to Walgreens and shop with that and still save money from shopping with the balance you just got back from Dash. So it's really awesome. See, it all adds up. When you use Dash, you'll earn cash back when you shop, dine, or travel. So that's the thing, guys. You can actually use this as well in restaurants. You can use this to book and save on hotels. They've grown a network that is just unbeatable. I've not seen any app that has come in comparison with the Dash app this far. You can actually make a living with the Dash app. So it's a really good app. The link for this is in the description. Go ahead, make sure you use this link in the description, guys. You will get the discount by using this link, and of course, it does help me to grow on the Dash platform as well. So support me by using the link below, guys. Really appreciate it. But yeah, definitely just by using this app for Walgreens, this video is about Walgreens, you'll be able to save tons. All right, because sometimes you're shopping at Walgreens, your bill probably comes to like $350, right? Sometimes we get some crazy receipts there, all right, some price tags there. So having this app on hand will save you tons of money because, like I said, it's 6% cash back off your total every time you shop at a participating store, and it has so many good frequent stores. Like I personally use Dunkin' Donuts. Like I love Dunkin' Donuts. I like PetSmart. All right, and Marriott Hotels $18 Dash credit. What? Marriott Hotels? What? You gotta download this app right now, people. No joke. Like, if you don't have this app, you're wasting money. Straight up. Straight up. Alright? So, yeah, that was my little hack, cashback hack there for Walgreens. Check out my previous video where I do show you about Sally Beauty, and the 11.2% cashback you get for that as well. But hit that subscribe button, guys. I'll be with you all day through this week. Stay safe. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.